Hey guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. This is Shaggy. You found Shaggy's Awesome Garage. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully it's going to be a short video. First things first, my thoughts and prayers go out with Dave from Woody's Scale Model Garage. Hope you're doing well, Dave. If you're watching this, then that's good news. And if you're not, if Dave's family's watching, man, we're keeping you guys in our prayers. Thank you, Frizzo, for doing the updates, keeping us updated on Dave's condition. The last video I saw, I think Frizzo said he was at home. That's good news. Dave, man, we're wishing you a quick recovery, and we want you back behind the camera so we can see what you got going on over at Woody's Scale Model Garage. In any case, well wishes, man. We would love to see you back real soon. And on another note, there's a lot of people dealing with a lot of issues right now. There's a lot of floodwaters up in Ohio and Tennessee and Kentucky, and my heart goes out to you people. I could not imagine going through something like that. I know there's a couple of YouTube guys that are up in Kentucky and Tennessee, and I don't know them right off the top of my hand. I'll send chalk cards out to you guys. You guys have sent them to me, and there's quite a few of them. Anyhow, I hope you guys come through it on top, and I hope you're not affected too much by it. If you are, thoughts and prayers go out to you guys also. I know it's a devastating thing to go through. I've never gone through a flood myself. Knock on wood, I never go through that. But anyhow, I hope you guys are okay. And we'll see you back on the channel as soon as you get back. Let me turn the camera around and get to what I was getting to today. Just hang on just one second. Yeah, guys, welcome back to the bench. Today is going to be a little bit of a What'd You Buy Wednesday. What I'm about to show you, I didn't buy this week. I didn't buy last week. I bought it in an estate sale last year, but I did buy it. And it's sponsored by Joe over at Big Sky Model Workshop. If you haven't tuned in to his channel, I would recommend go by there and tell Joe that Shaggy sent you over. Anyhow, thanks Joe for putting this on, man. First of all, what I'm going to show you is a kit I picked up at an estate sale. I don't know, probably about a year or so ago. Hopefully you guys have this. If you're not, well, maybe you can find it down the road someplace. It is the Dodge Diora. It's the AMT 125th scale kit. There's a lot of history behind this kit. It was done or designed by Mike and Larry Alexander. There's a lot of history behind this kit. There's many different options of this kit. If you go over to scalemates.com, you can look it up by Diora name and see all the kits available. ScaleMates is a great way to do some history research, I guess you could say, of model car kits. If you have any questions about anything, just go there, type it in, and it should pop up all the pretty cool history. I don't know when I'm going to build this thing, but hopefully I'll get to it one day. As you can tell, it's put out by Round 2 Models in 2016. That's the issue of this kit. I know there's several different ones. Some of them come with the back half with the camper and all that. This one's it's got the bubble top right here. Let's see if you can see that. Focus. There we go. Yeah, this one's got you can put the bubble top or the camper, or it's come with a couple of mag wheels and a little bit of a dog dish hubcaps. These are, well, reverse wheels is what they're calling it. I like these better than these, but anyhow, it's just my preference. But yeah, man, that's my Diora. And it was designed along with the Alexander brothers. It was designed by a very underrated car designer from back in the 60s. His name was Harry Bradley. Now, Harry Bradley, he's got a pretty interesting history too. When he was born with, oops, sorry, kick the camera, guys. Sorry about that. He was born with polio or developed polio at a young age, and but that never stopped him from pursuing his dreams as a car designer. At one time he worked for GM, then he worked for, I think he worked for Dodge, but all throughout his work career he was designing cars. And I'm not real sure how the story goes. You can look it up online. It's a very interesting story behind Mr. Harry Bradley. At one time he designed Hot Wheels cars, and he was one of the chief designers that designed several of the Sweet 16 Hot Wheels cars. The Dior was one of them. He also designed a custom Corvette that was part of the original Sweet 16 Hot Wheels cars. It was the gold one. Harry Bradley used to work with the Alexander brothers when he designed the Diora. And I put a couple pictures of the Alexander brothers and some stuff they've done. But this is their logo there. Made by the Diora, made by the Alexander brothers. I know I showed that earlier, but if you want, you can pause the screen and read that. It's a pretty cool write-up on it. And another few designs he had was, one of them was a Boss bike. It was like a custom bicycle trike, chain-driven trike-looking thing. It's pretty cool. And that's also a kit that I would love to get a hold of. Of course, in my research, I haven't been able to find one. Maybe I'm not looking hard enough or in the right places. Harry Bradley also put out a kit called the Black Max trike. Yeah, that's what it was. That's pretty cool. There's a bunch of trikes running around nowadays, custom trikes. It kind of looks similar to those. There's a guy in our club, Scrooge. He's got every... I know you guys know what I'm talking about, because there were some in Ollie's not too long ago. I think it's like 4 different types of a trike kit. And the black box might have been one of the original issues of that kit. But anyhow, the reason I bring up Harry Bradley and his colored history is I picked up this kit a few months ago. And it's on this box, it says it's the Californian Swingin' Luxury Sports Car. It doesn't say it was designed by Harry Bradley, but the first issue of this kit, it says across here, Harry Bradley's Luxury Sports Car. I don't know why they got rid of his name, but this is called the Californian. But there's a couple of guys on YouTube I saw build this. HPI Guys was one of them. There's another guy, I can't remember his name. But as you can tell, this is a pretty custom kit. It's got the little, I guess that's roof glass. I don't think it's brake lights, because the brake lights are back here, right there. I'm not sure which way I'm going to go with this kit yet, but I thought about kind of doing something similar to this, making it look like a shark. Maybe, maybe do the top blue and the bottom gray, do a little fade right through here, maybe some spots like a Mako shark. I don't know, maybe Mako shark's been done before, but anyways, that's my 2 kits I wanted to show you guys for What'd You Get Wednesday. And hopefully this is a short enough video. If you guys are interested, go ahead and look up pull up the, was it Wikipedia? That's where I found all the information. But Harry Bradley's all over the internet. Just do your research. You'll be glad you did. Enter the Alexander brothers and Harry Bradley. Look them both up. You'll have a great time looking it up. As for the rest of the video, I'm going to be out of town this weekend, guys, so I may not get a video out until next week. And I'm headed over to the Tiger Fest 30 over in New Orleans this weekend. I'm putting about 6 models in the contest. We'll see how we do. But I haven't been to a contest since our Blue Angel Model Fest last September, October. And I'm going to try to make at least 2 or 3 shows a year. This is my next one. If you guys are there, look me up. Say, hey, Shaggy, I seen your video. But yeah, if you're there, look me up. I'll be wearing one of our gray Pam's t-shirts, and I'll put a picture of that up here so you can find me. In any case, guys, thanks for tuning in, and once again, thoughts and prayers goes out to Dave over at Woody Scale Model Garage. If you guys haven't checked him out, run by his channel, give him a like and a subscribe. And Dave, if you're watching this, man, we're rooting for you. We're hoping you're as healthy as ox by the time you get out of this little whatever you're going through. But anyhow, and the guys that are dealing with all the flooding and tornadoes and whatnot, man, I feel for you guys, and I hope you guys come out on top. In any case, I'm gonna call it right here because I think I'm rambling right now. Anyhow, thanks guys for tuning in. Don't forget to comment, and I'll try to answer each and every comment. Give me a like, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I really, really appreciate all the subscribers I had. I'm gonna try to get to 200 by the end of the month, and if I do, I will do a giveaway. There's something for you guys to think about. So share, and don't forget, keep the stash growing and the airbrush blowing. Catch you guys on the next one. Later.